The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch?
Dance Skilla! You shall fucking for me.
Your boy.
You come in the shower.
You buzz this thing, boy.
Your boy come in the chair. This shall.
Hey, yo, ease up.
Your boy, Nick here.
Let me tell you something.
Wait a second.
This donkey, you sell this donkey.
You buy him, you fucking buy
Me
him.
want to know all the aim in here.
Boy, you
All
buy
the
him.
aim in here.
Go move it, daddy.
All the aim in
Move
here.
it fucking out.
All the aim. Hey, your boy. Hey, no put up on me.
I'm telling you.
Let me tell you.
My
Man, you don't get that boss.
Man, me, everybody.
Anyone else try you.
The boy, you can't move this shot. You kill you.
You kill her.
The boy, you got to make sure you kill the fucking boy.
You kill her.
The boy, this is for you. This
You don't sell this donkey, right?
You buy him.
And you had the heart to come and own this donkey.
How the fuck you get your
Because the man who take
chief?
me want you. Come on, one put me to. One.
A bus to the bus.
Why you busting me feet?
Your boy,
You the boss.
your
you
boy,
boy,
you
you
like
bust
on the
up
shop, right?
You
come
bust.
in
You
the
fire
shower.
block.
Go in the shower,
You
right?
fire block. Hey man, you take it easy now. God.
You
Let me
unlock
tell
me
you.
right, and you unlock me right money, right? But me no.
You
Me not let on lock me.
Your boy,
fire block.
show up.
Fire block. And you see what me do you?
You see the shot?
You
The
know
boy,
what
you
you
move and Jim travel.
Why you mean like my
Me
money?
know what we do now.
You mean
Come and tell me what kill one of them.
Wait, fuck
Hey,
you on the
hey.
dog.
If you cut this up, me tell me bust the face now. Me bust the face.
Come,
Yeah.
come, put more something.
All you cut that up there.
Yeah?
You cut that up there.
But where you going for me fucking donkey? Travel what? You feel trouble in my fucking heart?
Trouble bad.
What you
Me know
Why?
what you
want?
You wicked.
But what?
I mean, you want to say wicked, don't have a heart.
What you want?
Me more wicked. I for me more fucking trouble.
What you want?
You come
Me?
A knife I say in a hand,
You want to try something? Must have me pluck your head.
Tell me.
If you go up on station right now.
Your boy, tell me the
You
trouble.
trouble, boy.
What you
No, we're
want?
not going, we're not going. You can't have me now.
Boy, come play for more trouble.
For you and for you.
Over here,
You
put
don't
it-
sell the donkey
You buy 'em.
and you don't give the
You buy 'em?
donkey. Look, man.
Me ask you.
He's the man that come and give the donkey to me.
One man can get donkey. Now you fucking buy donkey.
Yeah, man. You make trouble for the donkey, right? But me tell you, anyone are you, but I never hit none of you. Unless I fire a fucking hand. But
Boy,
don't
you
I?
move the donkey for that today. Me murder your ass for it.
You murder what?
This is
You
nice.
You feel you had this donkey?
No.
You feel you can have this donkey?
Well,
When you depart the donkey from you,
me you what?
you don't sell the donkey for $1,000.
This yeah.
In the mat now.
Me don't sell it, but me get told you about it.
Why you didn't know what to do?
But
boy-
who pay you, Gilly? Who pay?
Who pay?
You mean there where the receipt?
Exactly.
Where you there? Where you there?
I'm coming
Where
fucking
the
out.
receipt?
Where you in there?
I'm coming
I'm
out.
coming
Your
out.
boy.
You boy that me boy bust the fuck
Where you
your boy.
fucking me? I'm cutting you up. I can't move me. I'm donkey. I'm fucking you
Yeah,
up
yeah.
right now.
Get the on back no yeah.
Wake up and whoop a donkey.
I don't know.
This yeah. Why did the boy move a donkey? Me swear to fucking God. I want to get my for jail. The boy.
Man,
I tell you, fire one thing. Are you?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I just showed you a video of 3 men that is involved in a dispute over a donkey, and it would seem as if it's a 2-on-1 situation. You know, like 2 of the men seems to be in somewhat of an agreement against the other. Now, I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because this video is out on social media and there are speculations out there about this video, you know, and I would like to say something to you, my viewers and subscribers, about this video. I think that they should take this issue in front of the law. They should bring this whole dispute over the donkey to the police station. You know what I mean? Like all 3 men just take it straight to the police station and try and resolve it there, right? Because these men seems very determined. You get me? So once they're at the police station, then who's to ever have evidence that is their donkey, them just bring it there, you know what I mean? So whether them have a receipt or if them buy it from someone, whatsoever proof them have, evidence them up, and just bring it right there. And I think that the issue would be best resolved that way, right? Yeah, even if one of them just leave and go to the police station and report it, yeah, and resolve it by using the law. Because like I said, these men seems very determined. Alright? Now with all the crime and violence we are going over the world, you know what I mean? And some of these crime and violence all started out of disputes and ended up in a bad way, you know what I mean? Yeah, that is why I would suggest them take it to the police station and resolve it in the best way and the most peaceful way possible, right? Now that is my point of view, viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? And it can also be a suggestion as well. And if I'm wrong, you can let me know if I'm wrong, and if I'm right, you can let me know I'm right. Alright, you can tell me that. Alright, and you can also tell me what you think about this video that is out on social media that shows up these 3 men that is involved in a dispute over a donkey. Alright, yeah. So right here, so is when we leave it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me keep it up to date and posted and make you know what I'm going. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.